Hi, do you want to create personalized dashboards for your application users? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating customized dashboards tailored to each logged-in user. Here, we have a dashboard for tenants. The components in this page only displays the details pertinent to the logged-in user, who in this case is the tenant. We will demonstrate how to build a similar dashboard in this sample app. In this application, we have forms for different purposes, like complaints registration and facility booking. These are the default reports available in the app. It consists of records added by all users. To begin, we'll create personalized reports featuring only the records added by the logged-in user. Later, we'll embed these reports on the page. From the editor, click Add New. Choose Reports and the type of report. Select a form and give a name to the report. Click Create Report. Next, let's apply a filter to this report to show only the information relevant to the logged-in user. Open Report Properties and set the filter as email equals zoho.loginuserID. Zoho.loginuserID is a system variable that stores the user ID of the logged-in user. Users cannot change the values of these predefined variables. We've used this variable to ensure the report displays only the records added by the logged-in user. Likewise, we have a couple of other reports only to display the records added by the logged-in user. Let's start by configuring the dashboard. We will embed different components to this page using the reports created in the previous step. In the page builder, the left pane contains various components that can be added to the page. These are a few entities that we will create now. First, let's drag and drop a pie chart to display the details of the booking. Set the form as Facility Booking. Let's choose a category and value type for the display of the chart. Choose the criteria as Selected Records and set the filter email equals zoho.loginuserID. We can change the background color and positioning of values in the top. Great! A pie chart to show booking details is created. Next, let's drag and drop a panel. In the side pane under Display, set the value as Count of Records and choose the desired form. Set the criteria for this component. Then, under Actions, choose to open any form, report, or URL. In this case, let's go with a report and choose My Complaints. The user will be redirected to this report on clicking the count. In the last section, we can style the font and colors of the panel. Next, under the Display tab, change the value as My Complaints. To save time, we've created other panels in the same way for upcoming bookings and total visitors. As the final component, we have a pre-created HTML snippet for the My Upcoming Bookings report. We've a condition configured here to display only future bookings and their count. Now, let's access the live app to see the personalized dashboard. Awesome! The dashboard displays information specific to the logged-in user, such as upcoming booking information along with the duration of every facility booked in a pie chart, number of complaints, bookings, and total visitors, upcoming bookings with details as a report. Displaying data in this manner assists users in easily understanding information without overwhelming them with unnecessary or irrelevant data. For this requirement, we have used logged-in users and the current date to filter the records. You can utilize other system variables to filter and display personalized information according to your needs. Refer to the link in the description to learn more about the various system variables available in Creator. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.